In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Gmail. Whether you're tidying up your email system or just want a fresh start, learning how to manage and remove labels can simplify your daily email handling. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Once you're in, head over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the list of all your folders and labels. Hover over the label you want to remove. As you do this, you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as a More menu, appear to the right of the label. This is a quick access menu that gives you several options for managing your label. Clicking on these three dots will open up a small drop-down list. Here you'll find several options such as the ability to change the label color, or add a sub-label. However, what we're interested in is the option that says Remove Label. Clicking on this will remove the label from your list of labels. But don't worry, using this option won't delete the emails associated with the label. It merely removes the label itself, making your Gmail interface cleaner and less cluttered. A small tip to keep in mind is that if you accidentally remove a label or want to manage your labels differently, you can always create new ones or adjust your settings by going into the Manage Labels section. This can be found under the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of your inbox. Remember, keeping your inbox organized helps improve productivity and makes it easier to find important emails when you need them. One thing to note is that labels in Gmail function similarly to folders in other email clients, but with a bit more flexibility. Unlike folders, labels can be applied to multiple emails at once and can help you categorize your emails for easy search and retrieval, serving as both an organization tool and a search parameter. So there you have it. By using these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your Gmail labels and keep your inbox streamlined. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other beginner computer tips. Remember, a decluttered digital workspace can lead to a more focused and effective work routine. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!